Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this updated video, I want to show you how to install the Google Play Store to your Android TV. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So obviously, this video is for those who don't have the Google Play Store application on their Android TV. So if you have an Android TV box, and you do not have your Google Play Store app on it, this is what you should do to get access to the Google Play Store. As you can see in my case over here, I do not have Google Play Store application. And go over to my apps and you realize there is no Google Play Store. So what do I do on my Android TV like this if I want to use the Google Play Store? What I'll do is simple. I'll go over to my browser, and of course any browser will work in this case. You can use whatever browser. It can be a system browser or downloaded browser that you find on your Android TV. So just go over to it, and once you're here, just go ahead and type in Google Play. So when you type in Google Play, just give me a moment. Or Google Play Store, I saw a suggestion here. You can type in Google Play or Google Play Store. Anyone is okay. So once you type in Google Play Store, just click on it, and this is what you're going to realize. On the web page, the first result is going to be the web version of Google Play. So you click on it, and if it's your first time, Google is going to ask you, or your Android TV is going to ask you to log into your Google account. What you have to do, just put in your Gmail address and your password, and then you are going to log in. So what you are going to see an interface that is just like your Google Play Store, but in this case, it is on your browser. So even though you cannot get the application for Google Play Store to your Android TV, you can still come over to the web version of your Google Play and use it just like you would normally use the application of your Google Play. So on Android TV, if your Android TV comes without a Google Play, then do not worry yourself. You can also use the website to get applications just like you will get on your Android TV. So mine is kind of slow right now because my internet is not that stable. But if you go over here, just as I've showed you in this video, you're going to realize all the applications that you have that you want. And of course, if you want to search for an application, you can just go over here. Let's say, for instance, I want to search for the VLC app. I just go over here and I search, and I'm going to get the result of the application VLC on this Google Play Store. So this is how to get or access Google Play Store on your Android TV, given that the Android TV came without the Google Play Store application. So if you found this video helpful, please do well to encourage the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing for more important videos like this.